Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. The VFX school is now putting out all of your courses totally for free for anyone that would like to grab it. The VFX campus library is now open for anyone that is thinking about getting started with Houdini, or possibly you'd like to learn how to create simulations and so much more. And this announcement comes alongside the fact that the VFX campus is closing. And unlike various other platforms that just simply closes and archive their files, the folks at the VFX school are giving all of their courses totally for free to creators that are willing to get started with working with Houdini and learning how to get things done with it. And these courses will be available totally for free from now till March the 1st of 2027. So if you like to get all 7 courses that they have alongside the class files, which is averaging about 68.9 gig if you take into account the old Spanish Houdini Renaissance program and also the old English Houdini Renaissance program, which of course they've also made the newer versions, version 1 and version 2. So for example, if you like to get started with any of these, all you need to do is click on the Vimeo link, and this is going to bring you over to the Vimeo page where you'll be able to start taking these courses one after the other. And they've actually broken this down in a very nice form, and this has also been split into weeks. So depending on what you like to learn, you can actually take on any of the weeks and just get started with it. So there is quite a lot of things that they've put together in this one, and this is across all of the courses that they have. So whether you're thinking about just learning how to, work with the nodal system, or maybe you're thinking about, doing simulations, fracturing, all that stuff, you can find it. So there is also a couple more, like the VFX program season 1, and this again has a lot of things going for it, as you simply go from how you can create various kinds of VFX styled stuff all the way to compositing. They've also got the tabletop food simulation, which is also really good for those who are into, advertising. Maybe you're thinking about how you can start doing fluid stuff inside of Houdini, then this is also a very good one for you. Then we've got the Renaissance program, the newer version, and this comes with a lot of other things as well, and you can just go ahead and check these ones out. These are nice courses. The version 1, Renaissance 2.0 is also available, and these are super amazing. And of course, for those who like to get up with these ones, and maybe you like to start learning, then you can simply go over to the link in the description. That's going to bring you right here where you can start all of this. And like we mentioned in previous videos, for those who like to get started with Houdini, you can literally go over to Side Effects website right now, and you can get Side Effects Houdini totally for free and start learning how to create amazing procedural tools and amazing procedural simulations and destruction effects for your next project. And with the VFX campus library now open to everyone, this means you can learn how to do so many cool stuff in Houdini and get good with it. All of these contents are provided and will be free for a very long time. So from now till March the 1st of 2027, you do have access to all of these courses, and I would suggest that you take advantage of these being available and grab them right now. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course a huge shout out to the folks at VFX School for making this possible. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.